If North Augusta, South Carolina is on your radar, we have something for you today. We are in one of the premier riverfront neighborhoods in all of North Augusta.
Yeah.
Hang tight, we're gonna get into it right now. I'm Colin, this is Mackenzie.
Hey.
We speak to people every day that are just like you, looking to buy, sell, and invest in real estate. It does not matter if you want to move in 10 days or 110 days. We want to speak with you. Give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. It's just that easy. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you stay up to date on real estate.
Hey guys, so today we are standing right in front of a new construction home in RiverNorth. Now this home behind us is still very much under construction, so there's not a whole lot to see inside as far as any of the finishes or touches that they are choosing. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit about pricing if you were to come in this neighborhood and build your own home. So this particular house is going to be 2-story, just over 3,800 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms with a fireplace in the living room and a fireplace located on the back deck. All of that is going to be for under $800,000. Now this house is not on the riverside, which is why it's going to be a little bit less. If you were to build this same size home on the river, you're looking at about $1 million to about $1.1 million or so, depending on the finishes that you choose. So the neighborhood itself is very family oriented. There is a little park in here to take your kids to. It has very much a wildlife feel to it. There are ponds. You will see deer walking around. The sunsets are beautiful. So it is wonderful if you have a family, or if you don't, you can take walks along the sidewalk. Very, very safe neighborhood. You also will find that there is a very small HOA fee. So we are going to show you inside of the house so you can get an idea of what could be yours. Again, this house is still very much under construction, but let's have a look. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for taking time out of your day to hang out with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos.
See you later.